Welcome to Inner Axis. In the past few days of training, you may have already noticed that keeping your mind focused on a single thing is much more difficult than you imagined, especially with something as subtle as the breath, an action we so easily overlook. During the practice, your mind will likely wander, but there's no need to worry. Wandering is actually part of the training. It's natural for the mind to drift toward more stimulating thoughts, or to resist uncomfortable ones. Whenever you notice that your mind has wandered, gently and quickly become aware of it, and then softly bring your attention back to the breath. Now, find a comfortable position and settle in. Sit upright, with your hands resting naturally on your thighs. Next, gently gaze forward with your eyes open. Take a moment to adjust your posture. We will now begin with a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. With each inhalation, feel your back gently lengthening and becoming taller. With each exhalation, allow your face and shoulders to soften and relax. At the end of your next exhale, slowly close your eyes. Now, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, breathing in and out through the nose. Let's begin by becoming aware of your surroundings. Feel the contact between your body and the chair, and the connection between your feet and the ground. Now, bring your attention to the sensation of your breath. Notice whether it is deep or shallow, long or short. Observe where you feel the breath most clearly. For some, it may be at the tip of the nose. For others, in the abdomen or the chest. If you can't feel it clearly in any of these areas, you may gently place one hand on your belly and feel the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Next, we will begin counting the breaths from 1 to 10. As you inhale, silently count 1. As you exhale, count 2. Then 3, 4, up to 10. After reaching 10, simply begin again at 1. If you notice your mind has wandered, simply become aware of the wandering without any judgment. Then, gently return to the breath and begin counting again. Now, let go of counting and release any focus on the breath. Allow your mind to do whatever it wants, whether that's wandering, thinking, or resting in emptiness. Give it complete freedom. Then, slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Feel the contact between your body and the chair, your hands resting on your thighs, and your feet on the ground. Take a moment to listen to the sounds around you. Whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes. In today's practice, were you able to observe the thoughts arising in your mind with a little more ease and spaciousness, without being carried away by them? Remember, if you actively resist wandering, it often pulls you in even more deeply. So when you notice that your attention has drifted away from the breath, there is no need to create any emotion or suppression. There is no need to judge yourself. This is not a mistake. Simply and kindly return your attention to the breath. With regular practice over time, your ability to focus will grow significantly. This concludes today's training. See you in the next session.